Make us a cheesecake smoothie. So first, I'm gonna add in graham crackers, like you would in a regular cheesecake, and then you want to put your cream cheese in there, and then I want to put a banana into the blender. I want to put 2 teaspoons of sugar, or Splendid, whatever you choose, and 1 tablespoon of sour cream, and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and then now we'll blend it up. And now we will start by pouring this in. And this is optional, but to give it a little bit of a, sprinkle a little bit of graham crackers over the top of it. I will make you more upcoming videos. Thank you.